both Shoshana and I were aware and had marinated together on this notion that, yeah, life's hard, death's hard. Okay, fine. That's something we all share. That's a common bond. But there's this uncommon added thing that Katy pointed to, an unnecessary suffering, or sometimes it feels like gratuitous suffering. I mean, almost it can feel cruel. Like we have these systems that knowing people have designed that do not accommodate so much of our reality. And there's such a tension there. So we all wanted to sort of honor the very full experience that death brings to our table and reassure folks that, hey, you're going to get through it. This is a natural phenomenon. You're being natural. You're nature here. It's okay. De-shame it. I mean, a lot of reassurance, but then also lean into where in modern times, thanks to our healthcare system, it's gotten spectacularly unintuitive, and we've gotten removed from this piece of our nature and other pieces of our nature. So the idea was to close that gap. In other words, basically dying had gotten harder than it needed to be.